Will only come out a little later. All eyes now on Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who is about to make a statement in Parliament. We are awaiting word on precisely when that is. Of course, we will get that to you live as and when it happens here on India Today. But the news coming out from Kannur in Tamil Nadu is not good, ladies and gentlemen. It's not good at all. The death toll is almost certain to rise. But as I promised you, we will only bring you an official corroboration from the ground when we have a confirmation from the local agencies, so that there is absolutely no misstep. There are anxious armed forces families watching this story. They've got personnel, they've got loved ones, who are in Wellington, some of whom may have been on this helicopter. There are 2 Indian Air Force pilots and 1 Indian Air Force personnel who was on board this Mi-17 helicopter, as is always the case. This Mi-17 V5 squadron was based in Sulur. That's where this helicopter had taken off from and was headed to the Defence Services Staff College in Wellington when this helicopter crashed with Chief of Defence Staff, Mrs. Madhulika Rawat, and others on board. The big questions are going to be asked. A crash investigation has already begun, but at this point of time, the big priority is to get full clarity on the death toll and the condition, if any, of survivors, if any, in this horrifying helicopter crash in the Nilgiri mountains of Tamil Nadu. The country's top military officer, General Bipin Rawat, confirmed to be on that helicopter along with his wife, Mrs. Madhulika Rawat, as well as his entire team, including 2 advisors, a brigadier, a lieutenant colonel, and some soldiers. 2 pilots of the Indian Air Force were also on board. We're not revealing or releasing any of those names. We have that information, but as a responsible channel reporting this story, we're not releasing any names because we don't want to cause any confusion. We would like the families to get that information directly from the agencies, or once the agencies reveal that information, we will report it to the families and to those watching here on India Today. There are many reasons. There's a lot of speculation doing the rounds, but at this point of time, the next step in what we're expecting to see in this unfolding tragedy is Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to brief the Parliament. It's going to happen in a very short while from now. In the pictures you see on your screen, you can see army personnel, you can see police personnel, some locals as well, all getting involved in the post-crash relief effort, trying to put out the fire, trying to gather some of that equipment and secure the entire site. So these are images I'd like to point out that are from earlier today. We are told that the fire has largely been put out by this time, but the news is not good at the crash site. Akshaya continues to be with me. Akshaya, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh expected to make a statement in Parliament shortly. Any word that we're getting from Chief Minister M.K.